Hi, this is Texas with Sam. So your PC, you always have a blue screen. Let me take you through a guide to fix it now. Are you stuck on a blue screen that says PC did not start correctly? Don't panic, you are not alone. And your files are mostly likely safe. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step repair guide to fix this problem and get your computer working again. Whether you are seeing an automatic repair loop, constant starting, or a blue screen error, I will show you exactly what to do, even if you're not a tech expert. Stay with me to the end, follow each step carefully, and by the time we are done, your PC should be back to normal. Trust me. Okay, in this environment, the first thing we're going to do is this. You're going to click on Advanced option. After that, you click on Troubleshoot. Then you click on Advanced option. Then click on Command Prompt. So after that, put in this command sfc space forward slash scan now. So you're going to hit the enter key on the keyboard. So after the verification is 100% complete, enter this command chkdsk space forward slash f space c colon. The reason why I'm using C because that's my drive where my Windows is installed. So yours might be D, might be F, might be. So you can go ahead and close the command prompt after this process. Then click continue, exit, continue to Windows. And that is it. Your blue screen PC did not start correctly, error should now be fixed. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone whose computer is stuck in automatic repair. Still having issue? Drop your exact error message in the comment and I will help you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next